In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom blur transition in DaVinci Resolve using fusion and motion blur effects. This technique works in the free version, no studio features needed. Let's get started. First, go to the Effects panel, search for Adjustment Clip, and drag it onto a new track above your main clips. Position the playhead right between your two clips, then hold Shift and press the left arrow once to move back 5 frames. Trim the start of your adjustment clip to that point. Now press Shift and right arrow twice to move forward 10 frames. Trim the end of the adjustment clip to match. With the adjustment clip selected and the playhead centered, click on the Fusion tab. Once inside, press Ctrl and Space to open the Select Tool menu. Type in Transform, choose the XF version, and click Add. Move the red playhead to the beginning of your Fusion composition, then, in the inspector, keyframe the size parameter. Now move the playhead to the last frame of the first clip and set the size to 2.5. Move forward 1 frame and set the size to 0.25. Then move to the last frame of the second clip and set it to 1.0. Next, in the same node, open the Edges dropdown and set it to Mirror. Go to the Settings tab, enable Motion Blur, and crank both the quality and shutter angle to their maximum values. Now, click on the Splines panel. Check the box for Transform and click the Zoom to Fit icon. Select all 4 keyframes by drawing a box or pressing Ctrl and A. Right-click inside the graph area and choose Flat to enable Bezier handles. Adjust the 2 middle handles so they're nearly vertical. This gives us a sharp, punchy zoom. Then, pull in the left and right handles so they come close to that vertical line, smoothing out the transition. That's it! Your smooth zoom blur transition is ready to go.